All right, boys, first track day analysis on this YouTube channel. Today we're looking at March of 2022 at the Spring Mountain course in Pahrump, which is just 45 minutes outside of Las Vegas. This is the Mansell Option C 3.4 mile configuration. Day one lap times are here. I got down to a 2:52.15 with some consistency before and after that, which I like. And day two, I got down to a 2:50.12 with also some consistency before and after. We're going to be looking at this faster lap time. This was my 6th ever track day, so of course I'm still in that early and accelerated learning phase. So if you guys do see things that I can improve on, please let me know with a comment down below. So with that said, let's dive in. This is a 2013 Scion FR-S with headers, tune, and 245 Michelin PS4S tires. Other than that, stock suspension and everything. I was just a bit frustrated with this guy that track day because he's in such a fast car and doesn't know how to drive it near its limit and was slowing me down occasionally. This lap he was okay, he did not slow me down. He was just outside that window. But no, he doesn't need to be embarrassed. So for turn 1 and turn 2 I'm happy with in terms of hitting the points, the apex. Don't want to track out too wide at the beginning of turn 2, so you kind of get midway. Over here you want to avoid the bumpy section on the right, which is why I track pretty far out before bringing it back in. Here we trail brake in and a little bit aggressive. I'm trying to kick the tail out just for fun. I was having a lot of fun getting sideways around turn 4 that day. And then obviously here, I wish I squared it a little bit more before throwing the car in. As you'll see from my inputs, they tend to be pretty jerky and I tend to throw the car and catch it with the rotation. Over here could have gone out a little bit further, tracked it a little bit wider before cutting in. But when I cut in, kiss the apex, that's good. Car gets a lot lighter up there, so you kind of have to be careful with the weight transfer. Over here in this turn, it's actually decreasing in altitude, so the suspension really loads up at the bottom. I think the way I hit that was good here. We hit that apex cone just fine. But this next turn, I've never really nailed it in a way that I am totally satisfied with. It is kind of a tricky corner. This one, I think it's okay. It looks fine. These S's though, I fucking love because the S's you can really build and carry momentum, especially these 3 lefts right here. These are really fun. In my car, you can go essentially all out and it's a single sweeper like that. Over here, I'm apexing a little bit too late for a car like this. I could have apexed a little bit sooner to maintain some of that momentum. And over here, again, some more trail braking. I like to make the car dance and just rotate right there. Same thing here, I'm a little bit too late with the apex. Could have apexed a little bit early to carry more momentum because this car does not excel on acceleration on the straights. Got a Nissan Altima right in front of us, or is that a Sentra? That guy straight up got this from a rental car company, I kid you not. And risky move, but it looks like it worked out for him. Bus stop here, mostly happy with it, although I could have trailed out a little bit right here, a little bit further to maintain more speed entering this final straight. At least that's what my coach has mentioned to me before, so I'll take his word for it. He's much more experienced. And another 991 GT3. And there we go, 250.12. If you guys have any additional questions, comments, or suggestions on how I can improve that lap time, let me know with a comment down below. Much love, my friends, and I'll see you guys in that next one.